Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your orange peel powder. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching. So as you can see, I have about 4 oranges, so I've actually gone ahead to wash them. So I'm going to go ahead and pat dry them. So now, as you can see how I'm grating the back of the orange, this is what you want to do. So as you can see here, I'm using a smaller grater, but finally I think the medium one is okay for me, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with this one. So another way you can peel the back of your orange is doing it this way, but you need to be careful when cutting it this way. As you can see, this is how it looks when I finished, so I'm going to leave it to dry. So this is how it looks after drying. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the next part. So the next thing I did was to go ahead and blend this orange peel. You want to take your time and blend this. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and sieve this orange peel. You want to take your time and do this. So you can see the chunks. So yeah, after that, I'm going to go ahead and get my empty jar. So I've already cleaned this jar, but I'm just going to clean it again for the purpose of this video. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into my jar. You want to make sure you get airtight jar. So I thought I should show you another way to do this. I went ahead and got a smaller sieve. So as you can see what I'm doing here, I'm going to use a smaller sieve to sieve this again. So in case you want your powder more refined, if you want it more fine, you can use a tiny sieve to do this. You can see I've finished it, but I still got small chunks. So yeah, as you can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this orange peel back in the jar. I just thought I should show you this part, even though I've finished already. So you can see the first one, you can see the second one. I mean the chunks I got. This one is smaller, and while the other one is a bit bigger in their size. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into the jar. So as you can see, this is the final outcome of this orange peel. This orange peel has amazing benefits, including skin, but with time I will show you what you can use this orange peel to do. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, love you. Down to the ground. You're dragging me, it's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free.